Welcome to our channel Maths Hub.
Hello everyone, this is Pratibha. Can you find the value of x in just 10 seconds? Most students get confused here, but today I will show you a super easy trick to solve ratio and proportion sums step by step. Now here one the problem is find the value of x. See 4 is to x proportion 16 is to 20. So we all know that in first part I already told you that a into d is equal to b into c. So here ad means like 4 into 20 is equal to 16x. So here we have to subject the x value. So we are getting the x value. So 4 into 20 is 80 is equal to 16x. So here x is equal to 80 by 16. So x is equal to 5. So by this way you have to write step by step in easy way. We'll see the another problem. So if you try this, it is very simple. You can solve easily ratio and proportion sums finding the x values. Now go to the next question is x is to 5 proportion 20 is to 25. So here is the x. We have to find the value of x. So we know that AD is equal to BC. So now AD is 25 into x is equal to 20 into 5. Now x make it as x as a subject. X is equal to 5 into 20 by 25. Here it is a multiplication 25. If it goes to the RHS side, it becomes division. So 5 into 20 by 25. So in 5 table we can cancel 25. So 5 ones are 5, 5 is a 25. So again 5 we can cancel it as 5 fours are 20. So x is equal to 4. I hope you all understood this, how to find out the x in ratio and proportion. So by this way we can easily solve the problems. So the next question, before I solving, just try to do yourself and find out the answer. The question is 15 is to 25 proportion 20x is to 5. Now start solving the problem and answer in the comments. I will tell you the solution. 15 into 5 is equal to 25 into x. So 15 into 5 is 75. So 25x. So x is equal to 75 by 25. So x is equal to 3. I hope you all done the problem. Thank you.